taken here is Lord Nityananda Prabhu meeting Lakshmipati Tirtha. बहुत बड़ी history है. You have seen the 3 footprints here. So 3 personalities visited here. One is Lord Chaitanya, Lord Nityananda, and Lord Chaitanya's brother Vishwaroop, who later becomes Shankararanya by taking sannyas. So Vishwaroop had left his house, Jagannath Mishra's house, and then come to this particular place for taking sannyas. And after taking sannyas, he disappeared from this place, Pandharpur itself. Who is he? Mahaprabhu's brother. And then Mahaprabhu, in the pretext of finding his own brother, while performing the South Indian journey, he had also come to this Pandharpur place, and he stayed here for 11 days performing very, very tumultuous Kirtan and Sankirtan in the association of all devotees, because this is the place of Nada Brahma, the magic of sound, the divine sound vibrations, making our hearts and bodies and souls dance in ecstasy. So Lord Chaitanya stayed here, and Lakshmipati Tirtha actually initiated Lord Nityananda Prabhu here. It's a very long story. CC describes Madhya Leela, but the one part which I like of this entire story is Lakshmipati Tirtha is the spiritual master of Nityananda Prabhu, who is not different than Balaram. So when Lakshmipati Tirtha comes to Pandharpur, Balaram comes to his dream and says, tomorrow one very special personality is going to meet you, who is not different than me. And meeting him, you will lose your senses, you'll lose your composure, everything. You'll go mad just by coming in his proximity, physical proximity. That person you have to initiate. Consider him not different than me. And then you have to give him this particular mantra. So Balaram tells the mantra in the ears of Lakshmipati Tirtha. So just by looking at this dream, just by having this dream, Lakshmipati Tirtha goes wild in his ecstasy. That whom have I seen? और ये कौन सा पर्सनालिटी है जो आने वाला है, जिसके बारे में साक्षात बलराम को आके मुझे बताना पड़ा. So the next day when Lakshmipati Tirtha is passing by this Chandrabhaga river, he happens to meet Lord Nityananda right here at this place. And Lord Nityananda, as soon as he comes in touch with Lakshmipati Tirtha, as Lord Balram had told him, he starts to go into ecstasy. He feels as if साक्षात उनके इष्ट देव आके खड़े हो गए. And Nityananda Prabhu begs him, please initiate me. तो वो कैसा इनिशिएशन देते हैं? जो मंत्र उन्होंने खुद सुना है, अब वो इनको रिपीट कर रहे हैं जिनसे सुना है. Because what is that? Balarama hoilo nitai Brajendra Nandana jai Sachi Sutta hoilo sei Balarama hoilo nitai. So the Lord arranges his initiation in this way. The same thing had happened with Ishwara Puri also, right? Ishwara Puri को जब महाप्रभु को initiation देना था, so first Mahaprabhu spoke the mantra in the ears of Ishwara Puri, and then he told you, please give back this mantra to me and initiate me. कितना round circus लगता है ना? Generally Guru gives the mantra to the disciple, but here because the Lord himself is the Guru or the master of all the Gurus, what he does, first he gives the mantra to his about to be his own Guru, and then he receives the mantra from them. So Lord Chaitanya did this with Ishwara Puri, and even Nityananda Prabhu did this with Lakshmipati Tirtha. So here Lakshmipati Tirtha had initiated Nityananda Prabhu, who had come as Balaram in the dreams of Lakshmipati Tirtha and given him the mantra. So that's what you see, the 2 personalities sitting here. One person in little saffron kind of clothes, he is giving the mantra to Lord Nityananda Prabhu. So even Lord Nityananda Prabhu had visited this place of Pandharpur, Lord Chaitanya had visited, Vishwarupa had visited. So that's why it is very strongly and closely connected to our Gaudiya Vaishnava Sampradaya, when Lord Chaitanya relished singing and dancing in this particular holy place to experience the magic of divine sound vibrations here. And I'm sure by now all of you must have experienced it, doing Kirtan at this place, right? It's amazing, tumultuous, it's just transforming totally, because although we don't deserve it, the Lord empowers it, because the Bhumi, ये जो धरती है ना, ये है ही ऐसी, that it can just offer you the taste for divine sound vibration. So thank you very much for coming through with us, along with us, to all these places in the hot sunny days, wiping your sweat. ये भी sweat है. Somebody was talking on the boat, उग्र sweat है ये. Lord Shiva. So thank you so much for your patience, tolerance and cooperation. Now we'll quickly go to the ISKCON temple, take darshan of beautiful Radha Pandarinath there. Yeah, one more thing, when Chandrabhaga floods here, she actually goes to the lotus feet of Pandarinath inside the temple. इतना पानी आता है इधर. And there's a lot of damage also, unfortunately. But then, yes, fortunately, unfortunately, the mother also wants to play with her. This is her land, right? We have come and occupied. It's not our land, it's her land. But yes, there's a Bhu Vaikunta project which is going to come up. You must have seen the banners everywhere, which His Holiness Loknath Swami Maharaj is bringing up. So that project itself is called Bhu Vaikunta because Pandharpur is not different than Vaikunta of the spiritual world. So thank you very much. Let's proceed for the temple. Then we